like a dolphin. Move your feet under the sea, under the sea. Swim with the turtles and laugh with the bee. Wait, that's no bee, it's a bumblebee shrimp, dancing along with a sideways limp. Octopus hiding, clever and sly, changing colors as you walk by. Crabby claws going clickety-clack, while starfish just chill on their back. Say hi to the seahorse, tiny and bright, riding the waves like it's taking flight. Eels wiggle by with a slippery grin. Let the sea adventures begin. Under the sea, where whales sing songs in harmony. From clownfish giggles to squid surprise, there's magic here beneath the skies. So next time you visit the ocean shore, wave to the creatures we all adore. Under the sea, they laugh and play, our ocean friends, hooray, hooray.